The former commander of Lord Resistance Army, Dominic appealed a conviction and sentence of 25 years in prison by the International Criminal Court situated in Hague. Dominic was convicted with 61 counts of crimes of war and crimes against humanity. Ongwen presented 90 grounds of appeal, saying the trial chamber erred in law, facture and procedure in convicting and sentencing him with offences. Ongwen told court that court also erred in law when it relied on the evidence of acts that he was not charged with, causing prejudice and making the trial unfair. Other grounds include the failure by the trial court to adequately address the issue of mental illness and race, under which Ongwen was operating, among other grounds. The panel of 5 judges of the International Criminal Court Appeals Chamber, Judge Luzdel Kamin, Judge Piatao Halfmask, Judge Solomi Balungi Bossa, Judge Reina Lapin, and Judge Gosha Rod Kipandize, presided over the appeal. After perusing submissions from both sides, basing on the doctor's evidence, the appeal chamber confirmed that Ongwen did not suffer any mental illness before and during trial.
The appeal chamber concludes that the defense has not demonstrated any error in relation to the trial chamber's finding on duress as a ground of excluding criminal responsibility pursuant Article 31(1)(d) of the statute.
Court was not also convinced that Ongwen did not participate in abduction, forced marriage and forced pregnancy, yet he was the commander by then.
That while there was evidence that some persons did believe in the spiritual powers of the Joseph Kony, the evidence consistently showed that for many persons who stayed in the LRA longer, their belief followed a pattern.
Basing on offences Dominic Ongwen was found guilty with, the appeal chamber agreed with the lower court that all the relevant crimes Ongwen committed them during his adult age. With the issue of environment, which may have forced Ongwen to commit the offences, court agreed with the trial chamber's decision by dismissing the ground. The appeal chamber objected to all the 90 grounds, challenging the conviction and sentence against Dominic Ongwen in the decision of 4-1. Prosecution in this matter was represented by Mami Mandie, and defense counsel was Chausa Teleke Taku. Dominic Ongwen committed these offences in northern Uganda between July 2002 and 31st December 2005. Deborah Nama Monde, UBC News.
Responsible as an indirect perpetrator of crime.